Thanks, Colin. 5:50 is the time, and it's time to take a look at what's going on in the area. Our community's reporter, Christina Smith, live in the studio right now with news from your neighborhood. Good morning, Christina.
Good morning, Kim. Well, if you haven't gotten your flu shot yet, you might want to go ahead and take care of it soon. Doctors at Cape Fear Pediatrics say they have seen a big increase in the number of children getting the flu in the last couple of weeks. There have been about 50 cases in their offices in Wilmington and Hampstead. They are seeing several family members and classmates affected. Doctors say this flu season is among the deadliest and most infectious. Another doctor's office, Carolina Pediatrics in Wilmington, had 16 confirmed cases of the flu last week. And with the new year quickly approaching, staying healthy is exactly what's on many people's minds, and some folks in Surf City are making sure you have the opportunity to stay in shape. A boot camp will be held on Tuesdays and Thursdays starting January 8th. The class is being put on by the town's Parks and Recreation program. Sessions are about 45 minutes long and include interval training, weightlifting, and circuit training. The cost for the 8-week program is $80. Sending a little comfort to those affected by the tragedy in Newtown. A family from Pender County is hoping to do just that. The Coleman family is collecting pillow pets and stuffed animals to send to the kids who will soon be going back to Sandy Hook, and hopes to collect enough to send to every child there. They say that might make them feel a little more comfortable.
Locally, we want to have a resource for Pender County and New Hanover County school counselors to have a supply of the Pillow Pet idea for grief and comfort, anyone that may be having a really hard time.
A children's detective book is also being published for older kids. You can bring stuffed animals and books to The Well in Hampstead. We posted an address and more information on our website. Christmas will be a little brighter for several less fortunate kids in the region. The annual Holiday Smiles Toy Drive and Weller's Wheels is now over, and we want to say thank you for helping us collect 267 bikes this year. That's more than double last year. It took 3 trips to get them all out of the newsroom yesterday. The Salvation Army will start handing them out today through Friday. And if you're looking for a belated Christmas present, the WECT collector's calendars are coming out at the end of the month. They'll be out around the 28th at different McDonald's locations in the area, so be sure to pick one up. As always, there were some beautiful pictures selected this year. To read more about news and events going on in your area, go to our website, WECT.com. Then just click on the Communities box and choose your neighborhood. Kim, back to you.
All right, Christine.